Hi, welcome to Agrodemy Enterprises. So this is our website, agrodemy.com.ng. When you get on the website, the first thing you do is scroll through. So digitizing and building the agripreneurs for the future. Scroll through the end, see our courses. If you want to become an instructor, this is the point where an agribusiness owner who wants to teach on our platform clicks on to become an instructor. Then if you also want to sell ebooks or you want to buy ebooks, this is the point where you click to buy ebooks. This is the team on the platform. These are testimonials from learners, and if you have an idea in your mind or something you think the platform should be doing, this is where you drop us an email. And lastly, to get notification on our updates, just before it gets to your email, you can also join our Telegram group here. So how does it work? The first thing to do when you come on our platform is to have in mind what you want to do. So if you're here to learn, you come to our popular courses and you click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to our course portal. Now, on our course portal, you get to see all the courses we have. Currently, we have 8 courses on our platform, of which 2 are paid courses and 6 are free courses. And on the portal, you get to see the name of the course, the person who created the course, the number of people who have enrolled on the course, and the duration of the course. You also get to see the ratings that courses have had. So this course here, Agro Marketing 101, has 33 learners and it's 39 minutes 15 seconds to complete. So to take a course, you click on Get Enrolled. Once you click on the Get Enrolled, it takes you to the landing page of the course. So on the landing page, you get to see the name of the course, about the course, what you will learn, the materials included in the course, what happens at the end of the course. You earn certificates, you learn at your own pace. It's in English, 24/7 hours instructor support, and it's a well-researched course. So who are the target audience for the course and what is your requirement as a learner? Then you also scroll down and see all that the course entails. So this course teaches importance of marketing and all of the rest. This is the rating from a learner. This is about the instructor, and this instructor currently has 7 courses and 87 students on the platform. You also get to see other courses that you might like on the platform. So this is how it is for a learner. A learner clicks on enroll now, and just below the enroll now, the learner gets to see the validity time, that's how long they have access to this course. This course is a lifetime course. Now, for the agribusiness owner who just wants to come on the platform to teach, instead of going through the route of like going through for courses, the agribusiness owner simply comes to this place. Do you want to become an instructor? Yes. He clicks on the button of becoming an instructor, and once the person clicks on the button, it takes the person to a page where he just fills a form to become an instructor on the platform. So this is a simple demo. This is live. This is available currently. This is a live platform, and all these courses are well available to our users. This is the founder and the CTO who are the major people on the project alongside other team members. Thank you very much.